leading.
So in Narela, AAP is leading. It's leading in Bhavana, and here in Mundka, which is a big constituency, the BJP is leading. You have BJP leading in Vikaspuri. The BJP is leading in Delhi Cant as well now. BJP leading in Mehroli, and in the New Delhi seat, BJP maintains its lead.
Okay. In all that armed trinity.
But
BJP
look at the maps, the way they are changing. In the 2020 elections, it was totally blue, which was the Aam Aadmi Party, and BJP was just in this edge and one seat here. Look at the saffron that is now emerging in that map, and the blue considerably lesser than before. And for the moment, we are seeing the BJP ahead. The Aam Aadmi Party catching up, but still behind the BJP. Early leads yet.
And you'll find a lot of middle class belt tilting towards this. This is a middle class belt. The core
The New Delhi.
Yeah,
the New Delhi area.
The New Delhi area.
And
that
West
is
Delhi,
getting saffron.
New Delhi, West Delhi,
Exactly.
South Delhi.
Exactly. That's getting saffron.
Okay.
That's Nirmala Sitharaman effect.
Okay, that is the Nirmala Sitharaman. Good morning to you, Ishkaran.
Thank you. Good morning to all the viewers. Is it New Delhi area or New Delhi seat? I just
New
wanted to
Delhi
ask
seat.
that.
New Delhi,
New Delhi seat.
Patparganj.
Now, let's go back and revisit Jangpura, Kalkaji, as well as New Delhi seat.
Holding. BJP is leading in New
BJP
Delhi.
leading in Jangpura.
Malavya
Manish
Nagar, which
Sisodia.
was considered as an AAP stronghold, Satish Upadhyaya of BJP is leading.
All right.
The core Delhi, the South Delhi or the Central Delhi, what you call, is now going into saffron.
Okay. Can we look at New Delhi if it's still holding
Yes,
on?
holding.
So BJP leading in Arvind Kejriwal's seat of New Delhi, that is Pravesh Verma. Manish Sisodia also trailing,
Leading.
which means Jangpura, the BJP is leading Tarvinder
Singh Marwa.
Tarvinder Singh Marwa. And what about Kalkaji?
Okla, BJP is leading. Okla is showing huge tilt.
Okay, so that's big. That is where the AIMIM had
Is
come
exactly.
in. And, the Muslim vote is getting split, Vivek Srivastava, possibly, if the BJP is late.
I think Owaisi, should not have come. He parked there for 15 days.
Why?
15 दिन उनकी पार्टी वहीं रही है. 15 days.
B team of BJP.
कम्युनिस्ट कंट्री नहीं है भाई कि एक ही पार्टी
That
लड़ती
is
है.
okay, but
AIM चुनावी ना लड़े.